Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this. It's for a porta potty, I guess. It's basically you hit it and it powers the pump to fill the bowl or something. But this thing is badly corroded. I don't know if you can tell, but on many of these little connectors, they were green. I don't know if you can see that or not, but try to get the light on it as best I can. But you can see that's green corrosion. These are the springs for it, and they just fell apart. And a replacement unit here. This is, I think he told me it was $80 for just this part, which is crazy. So I started taking it apart and noticed that this is basically a a AA battery carrier. And so basically I was able to find this online, and when you take it, these are about $3 a piece with plenty of lead. And if you look at the way that it is, it's pretty much identical. I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. So basically all we have to do is make sure that we unsolder the board. I'm going to try to clean this up a little bit, as you can see when I'm working, and we're going to unsolder it and put a new one on there. This is all, hopefully it's fine. It looks a little corroded down there. I don't know if you can tell, but it does look a little corroded, but we're going to do the best we can. Okay. I got my soldering iron. It's nice and hot, and we're going to try to melt these pieces and take these off. Okay, so we'll see how we can do it. Let's see, without damaging the plastic. Okay. Okay, maybe it's not hot enough. I'm going to crank up the heat just a little bit more on my soldering iron. Okay. And I'm gonna tip it a little bit. I'm gonna put a little. All right, there we go. Put a little. There's one. Let's get the other one. All right, guys, I got the piece off. It broke as it came off, so these have very long leads, and they're already been trimmed back. So we're just gonna try to get these back on here as best we can. As best we can. My hand's in the way. I'm sorry. Alright, I got them both secured, and now I'm just gonna feed it through and just, put all the wiring back in there, and then we should be able to connect this in here like so, and just keep it off of the other pieces. Oh yeah, there's a hole, so it goes there. That piece goes into that little receiver, so I want it to go this way. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and again, have a great day. All right, take care again. Bye now.